हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में बात करते हैं ब्लड सप्लाई ऑफ द हार्ट। सो हार्ट इज सप्लाइड बाय द टू कोरोनरी आर्टरी, दैट इज अ राइट कोरोनरी आर्टरी and the left coronary artery. This is the right coronary artery and this is the left coronary artery, and mainly the venous drainage by the coronary sinus. So this is the coronary sinus. So one by one we are going to discuss about the blood supply of the heart. That is the firstly we are going to start with the right coronary artery. Okay, so this is the ascending aorta. Above to the aortic valves, the ascending aorta having a anterior aortic sinus. So from the anterior aortic sinus, this origin of the right coronary artery. Firstly, the right coronary artery is running between the right auricle and the pulmonary trunk, then descend downwards in the arterioventricular groove, that is the anterior arterioventricular groove. At the inferior border, turns backward in the posterior arterioventricular groove, which is known as a posterior arterioventricular artery, then running into the posterior interventricular groove and give a branch, that is a posterior interventricular branch. And so this is the course of the right coronary artery. At the origin point, the right coronary artery first give a branch, that is a conus branch or known as the infundibular branch. So this is the conus branch or the infundibular branch which supply the infundibulum of the right ventricle. Secondly, this right coronary artery give a SA nodal branch, that is a SA nodal branch which running behind the superior vena cava and supplying the SA node of the right atrium up to here. So this is known as a nodal branch or the SA nodal branch of the right coronary artery. Right coronary artery give a 2 to 3 ventricular branch or 2 to 3 arterial branch. So this arterial branch supplying the right atrium and this ventricular branch supplying the right ventricle. But at the lower margin of the right ventricle, the right coronary artery give a large branch. This branch known as the marginal branch. So this marginal branch supplying the inferior part of the sternocostal surface of right ventricle up to the apex of heart, that is up to the left ventricle. And in the posterior interventricular groove, it known as the posterior interventricular right coronary artery. This is the right coronary artery which give a branch, that is a posterior interventricular branch which is anastomose. इसमें देखते हैं ये कौन सी है, posterior interventricular branch, जो anastomose किसे करती है, left coronary artery. So this is कट के थोड़ा ऐसा है. So this is the anastomose with the left coronary artery. And in the posterior left arterioventricular groove, the other branch anastomose with the circumflex artery of the left coronary artery. So this is about the right coronary artery and its branches. Secondly, the left coronary artery. Again, left coronary artery take origin from the ascending aorta. Above the aortic valve, there is a posterior aortic sinus. So there is a swelling. So this is the posterior aortic sinus. This is the origin of the left coronary artery. Left coronary artery give first two major branches, that is the anterior interventricular branch and the circumflex branch. So this is the circumflex branch and this is the anterior interventricular branch. Sometime there is a diagonal branch directly from the trunk of the left coronary artery, or it may from the diagonal circumflex branch, that is the diagonal branch. Okay, so diagonal branch supplying the left surface of the heart. So this is the diagonal branch, and this anterior interventricular branch running into the anterior interventricular groove give a right and left ventricular branch, and this is up to the apex of the heart, and turns backward in the posterior interventricular groove and anastomose with the right interventricular artery. That is the posterior interventricular artery. So this is the anterior interventricular artery. Now the circumflex artery running into the posterior arterioventricular groove and anastomose with the right coronary artery. So this is the circumflex artery, that is a branch from the left coronary artery. Left coronary artery also give a branch, that is a infundibular branch. So this is the infundibular branch which supply the infundibulum of the right ventricle. So this is the arterial supply of the heart. Now the venous drainage of the heart. Mainly the venous drainage of the heart is drained by the coronary sinus. So this is the thick vein, that is the coronary sinus, is present on the left arterioventricular groove, that is the posterior left arterioventricular groove. This is the coronary sinus which is running from left to right. Okay, so it's open to the right atrium of the heart. So this is the right atrium of the heart. Between the inferior vena cava and the tricuspid valve there is a oval opening. This opening for the coronary sinus. So here is a coronary sinus. So opening for the coronary sinus. In the coronary sinus there is a tributaries are drainage into the coronary sinus. This is the great cardiac vein, which this cardiac vein is present in the anterior interventricular groove, posterior arterioventricular groove and drains to the left side of the coronary sinus. The second is the medial vein of the heart. So this is the medial vein of the heart which is present at the interventricular groove and open to the middle of the coronary sinus. So this is the middle vein of the heart, open to the middle of the coronary sinus. Third is a small cardiac vein. A small cardiac vein is present in the arterioventricular groove, that is the right arterioventricular groove and open to the right side of the middle vein. Okay, what is not visible here. So right side of the middle vein, that is a small cardiac vein. Left cardiac vein of heart, okay, आप मार्शल बोलते हैं, जैसे लेफ्ट कार्डियक वेन ऑफ हार्ट व्हिच ड्रेनेज द ब्लड फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल एंड ड्रेनेज टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द मिडिल वेन ऑफ द हार्ट. ओके, सो दिस इज द लेफ्ट vein of the left atrium. So left vein of the left atrium. Okay, the oblique vein which drains the blood from the posterior surface of the heart, right atrium, left atrium, posterior surface of the left atrium, drainage into the coronary sinus. So this is the oblique vein from the above, from the left atrium, drains the coronary sinus. Okay, and this coronary sinus from left to right side open to the right atrium of the heart. So this is all about the blood supply of the heart. And there is another vein, that is the anterior cardiac vein. Okay, anterior cardiac vein is not the tributaries of the coronary sinus. It directly open to the right atrium, that is the anterior cardiac vein, and the other veins are the veni cordis minimi. These are the small numbers of small veins. These are open to the wall of the right atrium or the left atrium of the heart, that is known as a veni cordis minimi. So this is all about the blood supply of the heart. Thank you for watching.